Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to see how to make jangri. If you're new to my channel saying for the first time, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below and like if you like this video. Welcoming you all to my channel Hot Pot Food. So let's get started to make this recipe. First we need to make syrup. For that you can take 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Switch on the flame and let it boil. At its boiling stage, you can add crushed cardamom. Make sure that you don't need to overcook the syrup, just only 30% should be cooked. So now let's see the batter preparation. So here I have taken 1 cup of urad and soaked for 2 hours. And add the soaked urad dal in the blender and add enough of cold water to blend it smoothly. Here we are using cold water so that the mixer doesn't get heated. So blend it very smoothly, you can see. And also don't add more water, otherwise it will be so watery we can't able to make the perfect jangri. And now you can transfer this in a bowl. And now you can add 2 spoons of corn flour powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it well together. After mixing together, we need to make this fluffy. So here I have used the whisk. You can also use a whisk so that it will be so fluffy and it will be so soft. It will be in the consistency of a cream. So now we can see how it's fluffy and the volume has also increased. So our next step is take a plastic bag. You can also use a Ziploc bag and fold it. You have to add the batter in one side of the cover and place a cup in between so that it will be helpful for you. And now you can add the batter into this plastic cover. We need to get this in a cone shape. You can fold it and make it in the cone shape as it is seen here. And make a small hole in the tip. And now the next step is, in a hot pan, add the oil, cooking oil, normal cooking oil you can add, and put jangri. Here we haven't added any color, you can see, as the food color is not good for our health. So maximum avoid to use the food color. So now it is frying and we made the hole bigger because it was very small. Couldn't able to manage with that. After 2 minutes you can turn this upside down. As you can see, the jangri shape is not so well, but we managed to do it. After frying, you can add this jangris into the sugar syrup and dip well and let it soak in the sugar syrup for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can take off. At last we have also tried jalebi and it came somewhat well, and the fried jalebis also went into the sugar syrup and soaked for about 3 minutes. And I hope that you like this recipe. If you like it, please click on the like button, and for more videos subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you.